Okay, so I've decided to get out of the car for a few minutes because the sunset is beautiful. Well, at least the color it's giving my skin is beautiful. All right, so as I spoke about birth certificates in my last video, I am reminded about the old format birth certificate. All of a sudden, everybody's driving by. Like, how dare them drive past on a public street while I'm making my video? The nerve. So some people are still holding the old format birth certificates. And the way to know if you have an old format is it rectangular, so it's wide, about 10 inches wide, and it is this narrow. Or sometimes they could be this narrow. That's an old format birth certificate, and you need to get yourself a new format. And we're talking Jamaican birth certificates. I maybe the passport office accepts it, but I know there are agencies in Jamaica that do not accept that old format, and there are agencies in the US that don't accept that one either. The way to know if the old format birth certificate is a photocopy is to look at the back of it if the stamp is black or purple. The original will have a purple stamp. I repeat, your old format birth certificate must have a purple stamp at the back to be an original. If it has a black stamp, it's a photocopy. A lot of times persons would have copied it, and they would have copied it on regular letter size paper, and they would not have cut it out. If you have that wide birth certificate but the paper is like a legal size paper, or it is like a what do you call the 8.5 by 11 paper, that's a photocopy. So check your birth certificate, and if you need help getting a new one, give me a call. I am Gayle of 876 Documents. Thank you for watching.